Hello coders, if you want to keep track of the events you are performing and you want to store that in a log file, you can do something like this. So by storing events in log file, I mean that maybe at 3 p.m. you received an email. So received an email, you write it down, and the time at which the email was received, that timestamp would be stored. Again, the response was given at some time, and then you created a Jira new something on Jira dashboard, something like that. So if you want to keep track of all the events you are performing in your computer and you want to keep track of this, you can use this particular methodology. So for this particular thing, what I will be doing is that I will be right clicking on my desktop and I will be clicking on new, and then I'll be simply click on this text document, and I'll be naming that as reminder, or maybe yeah, reminder.txt, simple as that. Okay, so I already had a reminder file, so that's why it's showing reminder 2. Anyways, so what I need to do is that I need to click on this and then go to edit, and then I need to type .log. Remember guys, you need to type this .log in caps. Log in small hand letter won't work. So after performing this particular task, press Ctrl S from the keyboard and simply close this window. Now whenever you are doing any event, so maybe I'm clicking on this reminder.txt. So okay, so it's 11:56 a.m. This particular task scheduler was being opened up, this log file. So I received an email, received email. Now let me close it and save. So the time was 11:57 a.m. Now let me open this reminder. So it says the received email. Now say maybe created Jira. So now close this again and save. Now click on this reminder again, and you are having that received email 11:57 a.m. and created Jira 11:57 a.m. Now the time is still 11:57. So in this way, whatever event you are performing on your computer, you can keep a track of it and you can save it inside this particular log file. So let me see whether don't save, because I didn't write anything. So let me right click on this and go to properties. Let me see if I can change the icon. So previous security, no, there is no option such as for changing the icon. No, so that's security, no. General, advanced, maybe, no. There is nothing such as changing the icon. So you have to go on with. So one thing can be done is that you can create a shortcut of it. So maybe Control C, copy this particular reminder.txt and place it inside a folder. So Control V, and then if you just right click on it and send to desktop, create shortcut. Now let me close this window. So you are having a shortcut for create short. So here it is, the shortcut. Now you can change the icon of it. So properties, and then change icon. So maybe I have something on my desktop, FlexPrac, maybe this, no. So I need to select all files, and I shared it in another video that you need to save an image as 24-bit bitmap image. So this is a tele.bmp, this is a 24-bit bitmap image. So open and then OK, and then apply. Now let me open this reminder.txt and write something, maybe changed reminder icon, maybe that's the event which I did. Now let me close this window and simply save. So the time now is 11:59 a.m. Now let me open this reminder.txt. Let's see what happens. So it says that received email 11:57, created Jira, and this particular log file was being created at 11:56 a.m. So that's how you can keep a track of the events you are performing on your Windows computer. There is another way of keeping notes of the event which you are doing, and that will be the second part. You can use your Google email account. So we'll be discussing on that in the next video. So reminder part 2. So that's all for this video session. Thank you all guys and happy coding.